First ball position, signaling the play. To the left side, cross court, Teodoro stops in, Euro stop, drop pass. David grabs the miss, he fires, ball! 3 points. That is the bid. Alhambra, double team, pass to De Los Reyes, Buenaventura for the answer, ball! Teodoro for the inbound, alley play, Flores. Number 3, stolen by Flores. Lays it up using the glass. Number 21, inbound, ball deflected, stolen, back-to-back fast break using the glass, Flores. Flores to Pilayo, drives inside. Number 6, fakes and fires. First draw. Number 1, Flores. Shot is denied. Alba, number 23. Harassed by the bid. Stolen. Flores, shot is denied. Number 6, time to shoot. Put back. The second try is good again. Alba, number 12 against Flores. Nasundutan, lead pass. First comes Flores. Drop pass the bid using the glass. 41 pass to Alba. Baseball, lead pass. Rebound. Buenaventura. Stolen again. And the bid pass inside. Villanueva. Number 12. Villanueva finding his teammate, Villar. First comes Soriano on the run, layup! Exactly 2 minutes. Villar, Flores reverse. Number 6, pass inside, 10 on the shot clock. Drop pass, Mirasol inside. And there comes Buenaventura on the run. Layup short, put back, wala for the second time. And so number 16. Waiting for his teammate, Datong Puti. Alhambra wide open. Bang! Number 41. To Datong Puti. Lorenzo. Drop pass inside. Mirasol. Makes it. Flores to the bid. Back to Flores. Wide open fires. Back by Pilayo. Covered by Robanito. Blind pass. Intercept, drop pass, Pilayo inside for the second time. Alhambra fires. And out. Battle for the ball. Mirasol grabs the miss. Datong Puti for 3. First teammate. Teodoro up and under. It's good again. 10 to shoot. Alhambra wide open. 3. Buenaventura now, isolation play, 10 seconds on the shot clock, up and under. And last draw is good again. Alvarado to Buenaventura, fires, no good. David, lead pass, Soriano to the left side. Buenaventura fakes and fires, bang! David, number 18, he fires. Too strong, rebound 1, shot is denied. Lead pass, first comes David. Lay up, shot is denied. Buenaventura. Niño Nuevo, number 41, to basket, reverse lay up. Back to Flores. Flores now, bounce pass to number 9. Flores, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Kick out, Solari up and under, to baseline. No good. Rebound na Sean. Kick out. 14 seconds. Bang! Time to shoot. Crosses over. Slicing. Drop pass to the basket. Number 41. Basket. Oh. Makes it. Number 1 to number 6. Flores. Pilayo. Pass to Teodoro inside. Flores to the right side. Low post play. Pilayo inside. Shot is denied. Back. Number 41. Up and under. Alhambra, drop pass, number 41. Number 24, Teodoro. Soriano float. Teodoro. Flores. Bounce pass. Soriano using his under. Dribbling the ball. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Flores against Datong Puti. 10 to shoot. Number 2, Pilayo. Using his body. Shot is denied. Lead pass. Buenaventura. Laizera. No good. Nation. Lead pass. Soriano now. Pass. Stolen. Number 41. Lorenzo. Torres looking for his teammate. Exactly 5 minutes. Ball recover. Soriano now. Cabuelo up and under. Shot is denied. Pass. Nation. David. Drop pass. Flores inside. Lorenzo makes it to Flores, number 1 against Buenaventura. Ball stolen. Lorenzo now. Alba. Soriano now brings down the ball. Ball stolen. Datong Puti. Soriano now drives inside. Drop pass. Put back. Free throw no good. Put back. Pass to Solanoy. Flores baseline drive. Up and under. Lorenzo drives. Lay up. Wala. Seconds. 15 on the shot clock. Second throw. No good again. Rebound. Stolen. Number 1 for Trey. Wala. Both saves. Alhambra using the glass. Drop pass. Flores. No good. Rebound. Nation. Lead pass to Buenaventura. Buenaventura laser up. Then you level. Number 41. Pass to Buenaventura. Using the glass. Pass to Teodoro. Number 24. He fires. Bang! Number 24 looking for his teammate. Pass to Flores. Flores now. Laser up. Running jumper short. Offensive rebound. Put back. And out. Lead pass. Lay up. Makes it. Teodoro. Teodoro on the run. Laser up. Makes it for 2. Teodoro brings down the ladder. Number 24. Ball deflected. Stolen left-handed lay up. Looking for his teammate. Basket. Shot is denied. And rebound Valeriano. Jersey number 7. Ball stolen. Bounce pass. Buenaventura. Plan to shoot. Side step. Valeriano. Shot is denied. Flores no good. Another Flores. Put back. Step back. Fires. No good. Rebound 1. Recovered by Flores. Drop pass. Teodoro floater. Number 37 now. Bounce pass. Mirasol. This is the last and final quarter. Ball stolen. Flores slides it up. To Soriano. Lost the ball. Lead pass. Alhambra. Basket is good. Ang ibabaw na Abbas. 1 minute and 50. Flores. David now on the run. Pilayo. Buenaventura now. 8 to shoot. Jumper. Crosses over. Drive. Shot is denied. Alba. Stolen. Lead pass. Lay up. Last call. 10 seconds. Winner! Municipality of Lezo. Final score 78-74.